Covered. Okay. Calzone. Kalyani is like my Chelly. Kalyani and me are so similar. I think we were twins in another life. We have the same fears, we have the same insecurities, we have the same worries, which I sensed. We did Varnayashwano together, and I could see. I was like, "Are you nervous? I know how that works. I will help you." So we've always bonded instantly. When we came to casting, finding Chandra on Loka, for me it was like a no-brainer because I don't know of anybody else, me included, who would put this kind of sincere effort and dedication into not just your physical training, into finding character, into your look. I think if she came on the film in December and we shot in, say, August, hypothetically I'm saying, I can't remember the exact dates, she would have started training immediately. Not because production told her, not because the direction told her. She's like, "Oh my God, I've signed a superhero film. It's my responsibility and I'm going to do it." And I think she's an absolute revelation. Everything I hear today, every day, I think I send her the most of these internet memes and things that are praising her. So it brings me and all of us so much joy because I don't think there's anyone more deserving than Kalyani Priyadarshan to play Chandra. So thank you all, my wonderful cast and crew. Thank you. And to all of the audiences everywhere. We are still trying to process what is happening because for us, Loka was always something very intimate. It almost felt like a very, very expensive indie film that we had to get maybe Jakes to come and commercialize or something. But the way it's just blown up and everyone all over the country, across the world, is discussing it, is embracing it. It's unprecedented. I've done 40 plus movies. I have not experienced this as a hero on any of my films. So thank you, wonderful audiences. And thank you, Telugu audiences, for accepting Kotta Loka as your own film. Like you've accepted me. I've always felt like I belong here, and I feel like this film also belongs here. Thank you to all of you, and lots of love.
Thank you so much, Dulquer Garu. And finally, we wanted to know.
And thank you, Suma Garu.
Thank you.
Because no matter what film, whatever I do here, if I see her, it's like my heartbeat comes back down to little norm. I'm still a very nervous speaker on stage, so whenever I have an event, I'm like this. But if I see her, I'm like, I have a friend. It's like a bag I can breathe out of. So thank you.
Thank you so much. Finally, we want to know what's the next film that's going to come with this 100 crores.
With this 100 crores? I think chapter 2, because clearly we're not spending enough money. Clearly our budgets are too small, so I think all of it will go back into chapter 2.
Okay,